Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy, and back again with another one, man. We finally get it ready to go ahead and wrap this Honda project on up. I know that the loyal and the faithful followers are like, oh my God, he just started another project. We ain't gonna never get back to the box. Da 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 da. And I just want y'all to know that I hear you, my people. Hold on. I just want you to know that I hear you. And you are loved, you are seen, you are beautiful, and you matter, okay? So, like I said, we are trying to go ahead and wrap that up. Oh, I thought that was my package. I don't know who the fuck that is. Yeah, so basically what we doing is we are about to finish wrapping up this Honda. I don't know who these people be coming through this neighborhood and shit. Weird, like posting up, taking pictures. Let me tell you something. You better not come on my goddamn property, and I'm gonna hit you with that fire, yeah. God damn it, you better keep your distance. So yeah, public service announcement. So yeah, so basically, we got the radiator back in there. What else? Yeah, so we got the radiator in. It's just a couple of hoses and stuff that I need to, or nipples and hoses and stuff. We need to make sure that we got the right hoses and connections there. So we just gotta tighten up some vacuum lines, some cooling hoses, and then, I mean, it's pretty much go time, to be honest with you. Top it off with coolant. We got the new spark plugs in there. This first start, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not even worried about the power steering and all of that. Honestly, once I get that motor to crank over, it run a little bit, get up to temperature, no leaks and all that stuff, I'm gonna put this bad boy on the ground and I'll get back to it to be continued probably like the beginning of August, because Junior is coming for the summer and I'm gonna be spending time with him, honestly. So whatever content y'all see dropping in the month of July, that is pre-recorded. Actually, now that I think about it, you might not see this till like the end of July. Oh well, the cat's out the bag. That's what it is. So, so yeah, basically, but yeah, like I said, we're gonna just finish it up, get the motor started, and I'll put the rest of the accessories back on there. We'll put it on the ground, and then to be continued. But I got about, I ain't gonna say I got about, hell, I got today, because tomorrow after, tomorrow after work, I'm guessing the club gonna hit an event, so I can get some content for my other channel, and yeah, buddy. So that's what we looking like. So we're gonna go ahead, get that put back together, get it put on the ground, put it in the driveway, because you know they be tripping. And I don't know if they be tripping in my neighborhood, but y'all do know before, when we had a vehicle on the street that didn't have a registration tag that was current, they came and put that orange sticker on it, on the front and the back, on the Caprice. It was like a while ago, but yeah. So basically I need to, and as you can see, this one is expired. It went out in 24 or whatever. So the tags are not current on it, but yeah, it is what it is. So if I get the engine in there and then I could just drive it right there in the driveway, then I'll be good to go. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably put it, because you know it's musical vehicles out there big. So I'll probably scoot the Ram back, scoot the box Chevy up, put the Honda behind here or put the Honda in front. Nah, because like I said, once that's up and stuck, then that one's up and parked. Cause baby, let me tell you, these gas prices, I feel like they're getting a little better, but we still not where we need to be. Still not where we need to be. So just bear with us. And when I say us, I mean, I guess bear with life. Cause I don't got no control over the gas prices. You know, I'm out here just like y'all. So yeah, so we're gonna get these cooling hoses and vacuum hoses in their correct position, get everything buttoned up, and then we should have that first start. So I'll cut y'all back on for that. All right, we is back, party people. Pretty much got everything hooked up. The accessories, like I said, I'm not really worried about at this moment. We just trying to get this first fire, put it back on the ground, and I'll come back and button everything up. Like I said, afterwards, we got our fluids in, got our air box. I figured out all them hoses and connections. I didn't even put the coolant in there yet, because like I said, we just gonna see if it's gonna fire off. Not gonna run it long, button it up, put it on the ground, and come back in a month. So here we are, moment of truth. So I did just prime it 15 seconds each time without the fuel pump fuse. And yeah, just put the fuel pump fuse in. All right, we're gonna prime that 3 times, maybe 4. Who knows? Let's go for 5, you know? So that should have built our fuel pressure. I ain't have to get out. I'm just being extra right now because one small leap for mankind. I mean, it ain't like I've swapped the motor over. It's really not that, but I'm just excited. Aren't y'all excited? I'm excited. All right. It's gonna be loud because ain't no exhaust back on that motherfucker neither. So, but I do like this dash, how it's dark and then, yeah. So. I'm so nervous. Turn the goddamn key, nigga. Okay. I know what that is. I didn't. So like I did just set the cable on there, so not the best. Definitely got to make sure all your grounds are good. Yeah, cause it was just turning over when we primed it. So let me see what we got. Alrighty, for it to just be turning over and now nothing is crazy work. Motherfucker camera shot, I guess. Right, because how is it good? How is it good enough to do that, but not this? Like, it was literally just turning over the motor by itself. The only difference, or only thing that I did different, I think, is put the fuel pump fuse in. Primed it a few times, and now it's acting like it don't want to turn over. What the hell? Is it that starter? Let's check our connections. Like, it literally I mean, like, literally was just good. Like, it's always something. I don't know if it was a connection there on the starter or what. I said it could have been. So you definitely got to have a good connection on your battery and your starter. And they technically need to be tighter than that. However, we thugging it. Yeah, that motherfucker ain't saying Nathaniel, which is crazy. Let me go check some grounds and I'll be back. All right, take two. All I did was double check the grounds, so. I'll see, did I hear something? You know what? The only thing that changed is this damn relay. And if that fucking relay went out that quick, I'm gonna be mad as shit. Okay. What the fuck is going on? Did we drain the battery that fast? I don't think I heard that fucking little zzz sound before. Well, I swear to God, it's always something. So I just turned the motor over, put the oil in there, primed it over, cranked it some more, and did it, and now this motherfucker won't say shit. Piss me off. You about to piss me off. Okay. Top of the morning, I think I figured it out. So overnight we let the battery charge. I went back, I connected all the grounds. There was something else that was going on. So let me show you, and it was really something simple. So this alternator, like I said, I wasn't able to get it off because of this is stripped and this is turning. So I think I'm gonna have to eventually, once I get that off, I'm gonna have to replace it. But when I moved it, it kind of arced the spark between something. So I think that might have been contributing to the reason why I was doing what it was doing. Because I did get in here, turn the key, and I could hear everything. Oh shit. Oh shit. Cut it off, 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 man, cut it off, cut it off. Ooh, bitch. Oh, it's up. Oh, it's up. See y'all in a month. It's gone. Identify your weaknesses and make sure for life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination, my boy. It's up.